Guys, we're back out in western Tucson. We're not even in city limits anymore. We are in the Wild West now. But I thought I would just turn this on because this is some pretty awesome landscape out here. Some people call this a Gates Pass area. You guys watched the video I did a couple years ago. I did a helicopter tour over this area. And I'll leave a link to that video here if you guys want to check it out. But yes, it's just a beautiful area, and there is a lovely place to ride through that we're headed right now. And this is called Gates Pass. International Wildlife Museum's over there. That's a pretty cool building. It's like a castle. And again, out here, it's just some beautiful places, beautiful homes out here, beautiful properties, beautiful landscapes. This road will also take you, we're going to drive right by it. It will take you to Old Tucson Movie Studios, and if you continue to go west, it will take you past Sonoran Desert Museum, which is both of those places are pretty cool to visit. If you ever are out in Tucson, you probably want to check them out. Saguaros just grow plentiful out here. This is the only place in the world where they grow like this. So if you ever see these kind of cacti in a film or something on screen, you know you're close to Tucson. There we go. It's called Tucson Mountain Park, better known as Gates Pass. And boom! There's Gates Pass. And over there, that's Old Tucson Studios. Pretty awesome though, huh? Actually, I think what I'll do is just probably just come back this way tonight. Actually, and boom, we just came through there. Pretty awesome, huh? All right, guys, so check it out. I'm going to give you a little rip through Gates Pass going the other direction. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, leave a comment down below. But here you go. Yes, sir. This is a cool road out here. And right now, this time of day, makes it look even a little bit cooler. Amazing scenery out here. By the way, I am shooting this with my GoPro Hero 8 Black, the $100 one. We're shooting this in 4K, I think. So let me know what you think.